She's 1.7 off a silver medal place here.
For the next competition shot, load. Start.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the bronze medalist for Russia, Lyubov Yaskovic. Congratulations, Russia. Great end to the season. So, it's Korakaiki and Arunovic remaining. Korakaiki is guaranteed her best finish as an adult in this competition. Arunovic has won a gold in Gabala and a gold at the European Games in Baku. 2 more shots remaining, and this is the penultimate shot.
For the next competition shot, load. Start.
Both in the 9 ring, Korakaiki 9-4, Arunovic a 9 even. The difference going into the last shot is a 1.1. It still could all change, but it's Korakaiki who leads the competition. This is the final shot in the competition.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. Unload. Results are final.
With the last shot, the gold medalist for Serbia, Zorana. Amazing, it came down to the final shot in the competition. Very, very well done. Let's present the 3 medal winners to you for some photographs, and then we'll have the victory ceremony.